Good morning, students. Now, today we discuss chapter 13 question and answers from class 8. Now, first question, choose the correct answer. Sound can travel through. There are some options: gases only, solid only, liquids only, solid, liquid, and gas. See, sound can travel through medium, and medium can be gas, liquid, and solid. So, correct answer is B. Okay. Now, explanation is very easy. For the sound to travel, it requires a medium. The solid, liquid, and gases provide a medium through which sound can travel. Next question. Voice of which of the following is likely to have a minimum frequency? Yes. So we have already discussed what is frequency, oscillations per second. So here there are some options: baby girl, baby boy, a man, a woman. इन चारों ऑप्शंस में से किसकी वॉइस जो होती है वो मिनिमम होती है? करेक्ट आंसर है इसका सी, अ मैन। से एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं करेक्ट क्या है। व्हेन कंपेयर टू वॉइसेस ऑफ ए बेबी बॉय, बेबी गर्ल, वुमेन एंड मैन, द वॉइस ऑफ ए मैन हैज़ अ लोअर पिच। इसका सीधा फंडा हाई पिच और लो पिच से है। अगर हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी वॉइस की तो हाई पिच होगा, लो फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी वॉइस की तो लो पिच होगा। तो पिच ऑफ अ मैन इज लो विच इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ साउंड। द मैन्स वॉइस इज ऑफ मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी एज कंपेयर्ड विथ अदर्स। In the following, third question, in the following statement, tick true and false. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. It is true. A medium is required for traveling the sound. So, it is true. Sound cannot be travel in vacuum. Number of oscillations per second of vibrating object is called its time period. False. Vibrating object whose number of oscillations per second is called frequency, and time taken to complete one oscillation is called time period. If the amplitude of vibration is large, should is feeble. False. The square of amplitude of vibration is proportional to the loudness. We have already discussed loudness proportional to square of the amplitude. For human ears, D. For human ears, the audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Yes, true. It is true. And about 20 kilohertz or 20,000 Hz, it is inaudible sound. Then lower the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. No, false. Higher the frequency, higher the pitch. Lower the frequency, lower the pitch. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as music. No, false. It is termed as noise. Noise pollution may cause partial hearing impairment. True. Noise pollution can affect the human ear for long time also, for short time and long time. Partial or full impairment. Fourth question. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called, yes, time period. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called time period. Loudness is determined by the amplitude of vibration. High amplitude means loudness. The unit of frequency is Hertz. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz. D. Unwanted sound is called noise. Shrillness of sound is determined by frequency of vibration. Fifth question. A pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. I will give the solution of this question here. See, 40 times in 4 seconds. What is this meaning? And what is time period and frequency? See, frequency is called number of oscillation upon total time. So 40 upon 4, it is 10. So frequency is 10 hertz. 10 hertz. And what is time period? Time equal to 1 upon frequency, means 1 upon 10 equal to 0.1 second. Answer. So that's all for today's class. Further questions we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.